Hi, so I noticed that I didn't come here because it was my birthday, then it was the the weekend. So I celebrated during the weekend. It was Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So yeah, and yesterday I had a doctor's appointment, and so um, here I am again. But I wanted to talk to you about having power in your life in any area, right? Because this applies to all areas. But there are two main ideas that I wanted to share. One is about you seeing that you are the creator of your life, right? So if you think that the circumstances around you, that life is happening to you, that things happen and you have no control, you will have no power, right? So you want to have power, you want to see, to realize this idea that you are the creator of your life, of your reality, you are the creator of everything around you, and you are 100% responsible for whatever is in your reality, right? So this is the first part, and you are connected to everything, so you can create anything you want in your life, but you need to have this belief so you can and to to um, act in your life according to this if you want to have power. And another way to have power also is to have the identity of the person that already has what you want, right? So if you see yourself as a person, like for example with your style, if you see yourself as the person who has no style, who can't have style ever, who just wasn't born stylish, you will have no power at all to change, right? But if you see yourself as a stylish person, a person who gets fashion, a person who is able to create great outfits, and if you start to think of yourself as that person, you will start to act differently and to have different results, right? For example, one thing you can do is make a list. For example, for style, you can make a list of all the actions that you would do if you were a stylish person right away, right? So what would you do? And you can also make a list of what you believe and what you think, and with that list, and you then choose an action, or choose an action to take once per week, or better yet, choose an action to take right away from that list, because your identity, how you see yourself, is going to define your actions and what you do, also what you think and what you believe, right? So you want to see yourself with the right identity that will move you forward, that will give you power to accomplish what you want to accomplish in your life. Um, so yeah, that's the main idea. So you want to do that list of actions that is according to the personality, to the identity that you decided it's the best for you to accomplish what you want, and then choose actions from there, and put them in your calendar, you schedule them so you really do them. So I hope it helped. And also, if you want to have the help of a coach to to keep you accountable to your actions, to help you with getting the power and staying in your power and moving in the direction of what you want in your life, I have a new program called Fast Forward Success. And send me a message, or send an email to lena@lenapentia.com, and I'll give you more info. And I'll also send you a link to schedule this. We have 3 free calls initially to define your vision, to create a plan to get there, and to work with the situations in your life right now that may, that you may feel that are stopping you, but really are the key to move forward and to see what's in your mind that will help you to move forward fast. So let me know, and talk soon. Bye.